Assalamu alaikum. Grade 9 computer science students, we will start now lesson number 11. This lesson is about hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Let's start. So we have a number in hexa, that is the base 16, and we want to convert it into decimal. So how we do it? Let's start. Okay. Just to tell you one thing, if you want to convert a number that is in hexa to decimal, you will do it in two steps. What it means, you will convert it first to binary and then you will convert it into decimal. We will use the same method that we have done before for the conversion to binary. So how we do it? Let's start. We have this number BC and the base is 16. You will first convert it into binary. So B means what? B means 11 here, and C means 12. So in order to convert this here, what we need to do is, how we get 11? So we get 11 by 8 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, and how we get 12? We get 12 by 8 and 4, and for this I put zeros. So what it means, the code for binary is this one: 1 0 1 1, and then I have 1 1 0 0. Now I will convert this into decimal. So to convert it into decimal, what you need to do is you will write this code here. Okay, so let's write 0 0 1 1, and I have this 1 1 0 and 1. So to get into decimal, what we need to do, will add all numbers with 1. So 128 plus 32, and then we will add 16, then we will add 8, and then we will add 4. Okay, so what it means, 128 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 and plus 4. You're not allowed to use calculator for these type of questions, but to save time, I'm using calculator to save my time for the video. Okay, so what I will do is I will add these numbers. Okay, let's see. So 128 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4, and your answer is 188. So your answer is 188. Okay, me write the answer here, 188. Okay, now I want to double check if my answer is correct. Okay, look now, we have BC, so BC is this one, right? BC and this, and if I want to convert it into decimal, so I get 188, and it means the answer is correct. Okay, let us do one more question for this conversion. Now I have A and F and I want to convert it into decimal basically, but as I told you, you cannot do it in one step, and from hexadecimal to decimal you need two steps. First you need to convert it into binary and then you convert it into decimal. So E is 14 and F is 15. Okay, so E here, and how you get 14? 8 plus 4 plus 2. I put 1 0 here, and 15 you need all ones here. It means the binary code for EF is 1110, and you have 4 ones here. Okay, now if you want to convert this into decimal, you have to write this code here. So what I do here, you will make this table and 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Next you need to add 128 64 32 8 4 2 and 1. Okay, so I will use again the calculator to save time, but you are supposed to do it without calculator. Okay, let's see. So I have 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, and this is equal to 239. So the answer is 239. Okay, now let's see if my answer is correct. So this is 239 in decimal, and let me check what is the equivalent in hexa. Equivalent in hexa is EF. Okay, so EF, if you convert it into decimal, you will get 239. It means our answer is correct. Okay, let's do one more question. This time I have 3 hexa numbers and I want to convert it into decimal, but first I will convert it into binary. So 7. So how you get 7? You get 7 like this: 1 2 4. 1 plus 2 3 and 4 7. So I put 0 here. For A it is 10, and how you get 10? Like this. So you put 0 here and 0 here. Okay, the next one is F, so you get 15 like this. 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 2 14 and 1 15. Okay, I'm doing it, not explaining too much because we have already done from hexa to binary conversion, and this is the same method you have already practiced. So 0 1 1 1, and then this one 1 0 1 0, and then you have 4 1. So 1 1 1 and 1. Okay, so if I want to convert this binary numbers into decimal, I will write it here and like this. Then you have 0 1 0 1, and you have the last things like it. Okay, now I want to convert this to 8 this. I will use a calculator. As I told you before, you will not use calculator. You have to do it without calculator. Just to save time, I will use a calculator. Okay, so what is this? 1024 plus 512 plus 256 plus 256 and plus 128 plus 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 1967. Let me write the answer. 1967. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, let us quickly check if our answer is correct. So this is the decimal number. If we convert it into hexa, we have 7AF exactly, so our answer is correct. Okay, next I have a home task for you. What you need to do is you need to convert this from hexa to decimal. As I told you, you will do it in the 2 steps. First you need to convert it into binary, and then you need to convert it into decimal. Complete this task, solve it on paper, take a picture and send it to me on WhatsApp. This concludes this lesson. If you have any confusion, you can ask through my WhatsApp. I will stop the video here. Thank you.